In the previous lesson, we learned about creating these 2D views from the 3D drawing, and in this lesson I'll tell you about creating detailed view and section view from the drawings which we have right now in the layout view. So from this base view we created this top view and the projected view here. So we are going to now create a sectional view. For creating a sectional view, go to this create view panel and click on this drop down and select this full sectional view. Now select the drawing view which you want to use for creating the sectional view. So I'm going to select this drawing and now create the sectioning line. So at first I want to create my sectional view from this point to this point, and now we are done with the change. So let's press enter. And as soon as you press enter, you'll notice that our sectional view will follow the cursor. Now we can place it anywhere in the drawing area. So as you can see directly from the pointing arrow that the sectional view is created, and it will be placed wherever you click with your cursor. So I'm clicking here and click on OK, and here we have the sectional view. We can also move this text close to this section view in order to clearly indicate which one is the AA sectional view. Now let's create another sectional view, but this time I'll create a half sectional view so that only a part of the view is selected for sectioning. For that I'll select this layout view and now click at a point and then click at second point and then click at third point, and here we have this sectional view created. Now you can click at anywhere in the drawing area to place the sectioning. So I'm clicking here and click on OK, and now here we have the part selected. Now let's click here and bring it close to this view, and in this way we have created these two sectional views. We can also create zoomed in or the detailed view of our drawing. For example, here let's say that we want to create a detailed view of this fillet. For that, go to this detail drop down and select the circular. Now select the view which you want to use for detailing and click at a point and make your circle. Now here we have the detailed view. Let's click here and now click on OK. Now obviously we have this detailed view, but it's not large enough to be used as a detailed view. For that we can change the scale of this drawing. So let's first move this text, and now we can change the detailed view scale. For that, select the view, click on this down pointing arrow, and from here select the scale. So right now 1:1 scale is selected, so let's change it to 4:1, and here we have the complete detailed view. Now this looks like a magnified version of our fillet. You can also change the scale for all of these other views. For example, here in this view you can click on this drop down and change it to 2:1, and here we have the change. So obviously we don't want it, so let's keep it at 1:1, or let's keep it at from parent so that the original size will be retained. Now in most of these views we have some hidden lines and tangential lines visible. Now if you want to hide all of these lines, then also you can do it using the view settings. So for that, let's select the view and go to this edit view option. Now here we have some edge visibility options, so click on this drop down and select this tangent edges, and now you'll notice that all the tangent edges which are present in the drawing will be visible. If you want to hide them, then click on this again and the tangent edges will become hidden. In the same way, you can change visibility of different lines in different views. When you are done with the changes, click on OK to accept the change. So this was all about creating detailed and section view with the layout views of the 3D drawing. In the next lesson, I'll tell you about annotating these drawings.